Hello again. Mike Lawrence here from InsureMyRig.com, the premier trucking insurance agent on the web. InsureMyRig.com is your best source for trucking insurance information, fast quotes, and great customer service. Today, I'd like to go over some terms about trucking insurance that not everyone understands. This is our job, and these are terms we use every day. But I always try to remind my staff that other people outside our industry may not know what the heck we are talking about. Maybe this video can help a little. So let's get started. Term number one, liability insurance, primary liability versus bobtail. This is by far the issue that causes the most confusion with our customers and prospects. Think of it this way, primary liability is what the DOT requires of anyone that has federal authority to haul goods. It's 24/7 coverage for any vehicles listed on the policy, unless they are owned by owner-operators who are leased onto you. If that's the case, the owner-operator needs to have non-trucking liability or bobtail insurance for when they are not under dispatch. In a nutshell, non-trucking liability is for the personal use of a commercial vehicle. And remember, liability is defined as insurance that pays other parties for injuries or damage to property that you cause. Term number two, physical damage insurance. Honestly, I have no clue why the trucking insurance industry needed to use this term. It's 24/7 comprehensive and collision coverage for equipment owned by you, just like on your personal automobile. It pays for repairs to your equipment due to covered loss, such as accidents, fires, or even theft, minus your deductible. Your lender requires this insurance, so the loan balance can be paid off in the event of a total loss. Important to have, but again, why the confusing name? Term number three, workman's compensation versus occupational accident. Both of these insurance coverages are designed to protect the policyholder by paying for medical bills and disability due to an injury suffered while on the job. Generally, any employee paid by W-2 must be covered by work comp, and any independent contractor paid by 1099 should be covered by OCAC. But, and there's always a but, right? Some states do not recognize occupational accident, and in those cases, workman's compensation is the only alternative. So, while OCAC is certainly a cheaper option, work comp provides stronger benefits, and in some cases is the only option. That's clear as mud, right? Term number four, cargo insurance versus contingent cargo. A motor carrier that hauls goods that don't belong to them must carry cargo insurance, or their shippers won't let them haul their goods. That makes sense, right? The full name of the coverage is actually motor truck cargo, and it naturally pays the shipper, minus that pesky deductible, for damage to the shipper's goods when it is under your care, custody, and control. So what's contingent cargo, you may ask? Contingent cargo insurance is coverage for a load that you may broker to another motor carrier, and should their insurance fail to pay for a covered loss. Not every trucking company does brokerage, but for the ones who do broker loads, they should carry this coverage, which comes at a very modest price. You want to keep your biggest customer happy when some lunatic dumps your customer's cargo into a ditch. Term number five is, heck, I give up. It'd be very hard to create a video that explains in detail all of the confusing terms in the trucking insurance industry. But here's the thing, you don't actually have to understand all of them. Like anything else, if you're in the business of trucking, you should understand the basics, just as you should understand the basics of accounting, the basics of law, and even the basics of how to fix your own truck. But when you need expert help, you turn to the people who have the expertise. Your accountant, your lawyer, your mechanic, and your friendly and professional insurance agent. My grandma used to say, if you don't know your jewels, you better know your jeweler. Romer Insurance has been doing this trucking insurance gig for 80 plus years and through 3 generations of family members. I am totally confident in our professionalism and expertise. Try us and you will be too. Here at InsureMyRig.com, we truly get your industry and know how we can best serve our clients. Our agents have been trained in all of these products and can offer you the best policy for your money available in the marketplace. We've been writing trucking insurance for over 80 years now, and we want to be doing it for at least another 80. That's it for this time around. I hope you find this information helpful. If you have further questions or comments, feel free to email me at mike@insuremyrig.com. Thank you, and drive safely out there.